In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to permanently fix the Adobe Premiere Pro to After Effects dynamic link error. So this tutorial will show you how to fix the replace with After Effects composition grayed out error. So for example, if you come over to a clip and you right click on it and you go up and you're trying to select this replace with After Effects composition, but on your end it is grayed out, the first thing you need to do is to save your Premiere Pro project. So simply hit Ctrl+S on your keyboard. Or you can scroll up here to File and scroll down here and select Save. The next thing you need to do is to launch After Effects. After that, scroll up over here to File and scroll down to Adobe Dynamic Link and scroll down and select Import Premiere Pro Sequence. The next thing you need to do is to go to the folder where you have your Premiere Pro project saved. If you do not know where the project is, you can come over to this top layer of your project in Premiere Pro. So over here you can see it is in Control Panel C, Users, King, Desktop, Adobe Premiere Pro project, and Adobe Premiere Pro beginner project for me. All you need to do is to go back to After Effects, and you want to begin by looking at Ctrl C where I have mine saved. Next, it is for me to scroll down, select Ctrl C. Next, it is for me to scroll down and select Users. Next is for me to scroll down and select King. And next, it is for me to scroll down and select Desktop and select Adobe Premiere Pro Autosave Beginner Project and simply select that project. And as you can see, I have several sequences open on this particular project. To know the exact project, you can come back to Premiere Pro and look at the name of this sequence I'm working with is 614532. So you go back to After Effects and you select the 614532 and you hit OK. And automatically you will notice that the Premiere Pro sequence has been added to After Effects. You can now drag the Premiere Pro sequence into your After Effects composition. So this way we have now imported Premiere Pro sequence into After Effects. Now the next thing you need to do is to go over to File over here and hit Save and give it a title. I could call this Premiere to After Effects and choose a location for it. I'm just going to select a random location and hit Save. Now if you've saved this After Effects project, it will connect this with Premiere Pro and you can now close After Effects and get back to Premiere Pro. And right now in Premiere Pro, you can select any clip. For example, if I select this clip over here and right click and hit replace with After Effects composition, you will notice that the name of this file has now been changed to Adobe Premiere Pro Beginner Linked Composition 01/Premiere Pro to After Effects. And you'll notice that this sequence has been imported also into After Effects. And that means that if you go back to After Effects and make any changes to this clip, you should see the changes appear in Premiere Pro. So that's it guys on how to fix the grayed out replace composition in After Effects error. Thank you and see you guys in my next tutorial tomorrow.